was a vision, the perfect dimension of everything that you thought that true love would be. And she looked so good, you were under her hood, while your girlfriend, she was smiling right at me. Hey, what you expect me to do? Man, I ain't got no time for you. Besides, it ain't none of my concern. Hey man, I'm just watching your Mustang burn. Yeah, I said it ain't none of my concern. Because I'm watching, I'm laughing, your Mustang burn.
Sarah was a waitress, the only joint in town. She had a reputation as a girl who'd been around down Main Street after midnight with a brand new pack of cigs and a fresh one hanging from her lips and a me between her legs. She'd ride down to the river and meet with all her friends, and the road goes on forever. It's not very loud. Well, Sonny was a loner. He was older than the rest. He was going into the Navy, but he couldn't pass the test. So he hung around town and sold a lot of pot Well, all caught wind of Sonny. One day he got caught. He was back in business when they set him free again. The road goes on forever. Well, Sonny's played 8-ball at the joint where Sherry works. Some drunken out-of-towner put his hand on Sherry's skirt. Sonny took the door key, laid the drunk out on the floor, stuck $1 in her tip jar, walked on out the door. She's running right behind him, reaching for his hand, and the road goes on forever, and that party never ends. They jumped into his pickup and Sonny jammed her down in gear. Sonny looked at Sherry, said, let's get on out here. Stars were high above them, the moon was in the east. The sun was setting on them when they reached Miami Beach. They got a hotel by the water and a quart of Bombay gin, and the road goes on forever, and that party never ends. They soon ran out of money, but old Sonny knew a man who knew some Cuban refugees that dealt in contraband. Sonny met the Cubans at a house just up the route with a briefcase full of money and a pistol in his boot. The cards were on the table when the law come a-bustin' in, and the road goes on forever, and that party never ends. Those Cubans grabbed the goodies, Sonny grabbed that jag, broke the bathroom window and he climbed on out the bag. Jared drove a pickup to an alley on the side where a lawman tackled Sonny and was reading him his rights. She stepped out in the alley with a single shot built in, and the road goes on forever, and that party never ends. They let the lawman alight, they made their getaway. They got back to the hotel just before the break of day. Sonny gave her all the money, and he blew her a little kiss. And if they ask you how this happened, say I forced you into this. She watches as his tail lights disappears around that bend. The road goes on forever, and that party never ends. At midnight, just like it was before. 21 months later at the local grocery store, Sherry buys a paper and a cold 6-pack of beer. The headlines read to Sonny, he's going to the chair. She pulls back on the main street in her new Mercedes Benz. The road goes on forever, and that party never ends.
Ready?
I was taking a trip out to L.A., tooling along in my Chevrolet, toking on the number and digging on the radio. Just as I crossed the Mississippi line, I heard that highway starting to whine, and I knew that left rear tire was about to go. Well, the spare was flat, and I got uptight because there wasn't a filling station in sight, so I just limped on down the shoulder on the rim. I went as far as I could and stopped the car. It was right in front of the car, kind of a redneck-looking joint. Well, I stuffed my hair. I had a flat, and would he be kind enough to give me change for a one? Well, there was one thing I was sure proud to see.